Hey guys, just got another Nazgul5 quad, 5-inch, running on 4S. Here it is. No camera, so I'm gonna see what it flies like with no camera. I've already set it up, put an R9 MX, I think it is, whatever they are on there. Rush tank solo. It's not too bad. Weighs 400 grams without the battery. It's got a 1500 mAh China hobby line on it, and we'll see how it goes. So it will be DVR footage for most of this video, but hope you enjoy. Alright, let's go up.
Off. Smoke off. Smoke off.
Oh, what are we on? Why aren't we going? There we go. Alright, let's see how it goes. No cam, just 1500. Oh yeah, that's a lot faster. That feels nice. Nice and light with no cam. But my plan with this one is to actually put a full-size GoPro on it. I definitely have to do something about the brightness of this camera. Maybe put a Ratel in it. The other one's got a Ratel, so it looks a lot better. This one, I think it's just the brightness that's putting me off. See how it goes around here. So twitchy. Feels good though. Tune is nice out of the box. Let's see if we can dive here and pull out, and then yep. Definitely need to set the camera up different. It's a little bit too bright for my liking. Need to move my OSD as well. It's different to the other one. I thought I had it on the other side. It flies really nice. Super twitchy with no weight on it. Alright, time to come in. So that's 3 minutes roughly, well, 2 minutes and 40. And hovering around 3.7. I need to move the OSD, it's hard to see there. That feels really nice though. Dump and disarm. So that wasn't too bad. I was expecting a little bit more out of the way of a GoPro adding weight and less speed. I don't know, my English just went out a little. So what I was trying to say is I was expecting the GoPro to actually affect it a lot more than it actually does, but the way it feels with just no GoPro and just the battery is really good out of the box. Like almost zero prop wash. So yeah.